everyone, it's Donna again from Get to Know Animals in Epping, and today is the big day. I know, Nigel. We are excited, we're terrified, we are all over the place. The biggest concern today is the safe removal of Lacoste. Obviously, stress, as we know, is the biggest killer of crocodilians, and you know, for a year now we've really been planning how to do this safely. Thank the Zooniverse, we found Safari Pete, who is coming later, and he's going to help us with his incredible crocodile catching equipment, which is a solitary bag. Rather than jumping on her, roping her and stressing her out, we're just going to pray and hope that we can just swish her into the bag, carry her out safely and move her. So as soon as that's done and she's caught and secure, we've got to build a whole new temporary enclosure for her in the party cave. As soon as that's built, we can catch her out, settle her down, and then bang, the build starts. So we're going to waste no time. We've only got a few days to do this, so we're going to jump straight into the build, and I'm going to keep you posted. So thanks guys, enjoy today, wish us luck. So first things first, we have to have somewhere to put her, so on we get to building a temporary enclosure for her in the party cave. We lined the whole thing with real fresh turf, so she's nice and comfortable. This was a huge team effort. All of the GTKA team were in, and we all got to work making sure it's as comfortable as possible, laying down bark for her so she had enrichment, and then we also rigged up the weighing scales. It's very important to take her measurements and weights while we can. And of course we have to keep her in somehow, so here is the chippy who's crafted a beautiful door with a lock. And almost quick as a flash, there we go. The most amazing 5-star temporary alligator enclosure ever built, complete with fresh turf, bark, heating, lighting, you name it, it's got it. And then the whole team assembled, ready for the big event, hosted by the man, the legend, Pete Pomidou, aka Safari Pete. Just before this, we had a great team workshop hosted by Pete about his amazing equipment, how to use it safely, and we also did a little bit of crocodilian training for the staff as well. So here you see me now just guiding Lacoste into the water, and then in comes Pete with his incredible croc catching bag. I'm just trying to guide her towards the bag. First time she was a bit too close to the glass, we couldn't get her in straight away. She turned around, so I'm just going to try and coax her back in towards the bag, see if we can capture her this time. No, still a bit too close to the glass there, couldn't quite get the right angle. So let's see, third time lucky, let's give it a go. Yes, and we have a head in. Now I'm just very gently tapping her leg and she's in the bag. So now we just have to hoist her out and secure her. So once we had her secured in the bag, we quickly got her through to the party cave to where her new enclosure is as quickly as possible. We're also trying to keep as quiet as we can. We really don't want to stress her out. Once we got her into the new enclosure, we just made sure that all the ropes were in the right place, all the restraints were in the right place, so that we could get her onto the scales and weigh her. We had no idea how much she weighed. How much do you guess she weighed? So here she is on the scales. We're just taking her measurements now and we will record them. We're going to have a competition who can guess her weight. Once we weighed her, we then took the opportunity to measure her. Measurements are really important, and so is the weight, obviously, to monitor their health and their growth throughout their life. There's not many opportunities to do this so thoroughly, so here we are doing that and recording it. So now this is about 12 minutes in, I'm straight from capturing, and we release her. So this bag's amazing. As soon as you just undo the Velcro at the front, she can just crawl straight out, and there she is. Again, being very conscious of her stress levels, we turn the lights out for her. They're a little bit more comfortable in the dark, so we just had a little bit of dim lighting, and we soon turned this off once we saw she'd settled. This 100% would not have been anywhere near as amazing without Pete Pomodou. Incredible thanks to him and his absolutely fantastic bag. Meanwhile, back in the sanctuary, the boys wasted not a second. They jumped straight in there. Now we've got to get the whole place totally cleared out, strip out all the old wood, all the old features, all the decorations, then clean it up, drain it down, get everything out so we can start the rebuild. And the whole thing was captured by Oasi's amazing videographer Glenn. It's amazing what you can do with a crack team of boys. Honestly, it felt like minutes until it was completely stripped bare. Honestly, I thought it'd be a little bit more stressful seeing this enclosure being ripped to pieces, but after the relief of getting Lacoste in her enclosure safely, this was just amazing to watch the trail group working so professionally, so quickly. And look, you could already see the amazing structure within a few hours of what the brand new enclosure is going to look like. It's already looking fantastic. Oh my goodness, what a day, what a day. We had so many superstars today, and you know what, it's never ever pretty catching a crocodile and alligator. There's no pretty way of doing that, but that couldn't have gone smoother. I mean, we did pray quite a lot, but it couldn't have gone any smoother. I'm so grateful to Safari Pete. What a legend, what a hero. And we did the most amazing training course with all of our staff. Alex pretended to be an alligator and we caught her in the bag. That was great fun. So everyone's learnt loads today. The whole team was here to support, which was such a beautiful moment. I really loved that. Trail group, right, heroes do not wear capes. They do not. They wear high-vis jackets. I want to make this known, okay? They banged out that incredible 5-star Hilton Palace of a temporary enclosure in the party cave for her within what seemed like minutes. And then they wasted no time. The second she was out, I mean, by the time we'd weighed and measured her and settled her down, we came out and half the enclosure was already gone. So yeah, they cracked on till about 3 o'clock in the morning. Everyone's going to be exhausted, but we've got a whole new day tomorrow, hopefully getting all the fiberglassing done and loads. So we'll keep you posted and updated. Thank you to you guys for all your support, for all your love and your well wishes and your donations. Wow, I mean, I'm so overwhelmed right now with love and support. So it means everything to me, to Rob, to the entire team, but more importantly, the animals just wouldn't be here without you, and they would not have the happy lives they have without everyone. So thank you to Trail Group, to Safari Pete, and to you guys at home. We love you. Stay tuned, guys, for daily updates on the build, and Oasi will be back later in the week to fit the filtration, which we're so excited about.